Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Google Chrome web browser will not load or not open up properly. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu. Let's move on to the first step guys. Go to search menu and type Google Chrome. Open it up. You go to three dot icon over here, right corner, and go to settings. Scroll down guys, here is option reset settings, click on it, left side. On right side, restore settings to their original defaults, click on it and click reset settings guys. And after resetting the Google Chrome, you hopefully can able to resolve the problem guys. You go and relaunch it and check whether the Google Chrome problem has been resolved or not. Let's move on to the next step guys. If you not get resolved, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. View by two large icons, change it and go to programs and features, click on it. Now we are going to uninstall the Google Chrome and reinstall it guys. For that, you just going in uninstall a program in this and right click it and click uninstall. Click yes. Uninstall also delete your browsing data. Yes, sure. Click uninstall. After uninstalling, your Google Chrome has been finished guys, but is install. Please wait, the current program is finished. Uninstalling or being changed. Just need to close out of here and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to download and install again. I'm gonna do it for after restarting your PC, go ahead and open up any browser guys. I'm gonna opening Microsoft Edge and search here Google Chrome. You just need to click on Google Chrome download. Click on download option over here. Wait for it guys, that has been start downloading. It has been started downloading. After finishing this, open file, close out of the web browser, click yes, and it started installing. This need internet connection guys. After finish installing, you should good to go guys. Your Google Chrome problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.